Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. This is part 3 of my lecture series Basics of English Learning for Beginners. Today we are going to learn about prepositions or postpositions. Together they are called adpositions. Prepositions tells us about the position of something in space. Okay, so there are a lot of prepositions, some say 7, some say 20. But not everybody explains what they mean, so today we are going to learn just that. Once I start, you'll easily understand what I am trying to say. First position is this. Look at the red ball. Throughout this entire lecture, we'll be focusing on the red ball, okay? So this red ball is where? It is in. It is in the box. Red ball is in or inside the box. Next is this. Where is it? It's on. This red ball is on the box. This red pen is on this black pen. Okay? The one which is on top is called on. This red ball is near. Near. N-E-A-R. Near the black box. This red ball is, just give me a second. This red ball is below the black box, and this red ball is over. So the ball is here, it is over the black box. The next one is this. This red ball is under this strip, and this red ball is over this strip. Okay, next is this. These red balls are around this black ball, and if we look at this one, this red ball is passing through the white paper. Now this red ball is passing through the sheet of paper. What I have tried to draw here is a ball penetrating through or passing through the piece of paper. So this is passing through. The red ball is passing through the sheet of paper. This red ball is between these two black balls. Okay? This red ball is behind this box. In the back of. In the back of means behind. This red ball is in front of the black box. Okay? For example, this black pen is behind the red pen, and this red pen is in front of the black pen. Okay? Now, what is this? What I am trying to show here is a road on which a ball is moving in this direction. This is the road and ball is moving in this direction. Okay? So if the direction of the ball and this road is same, we will say the red ball is moving along the road. But what if the direction is not same? Then we will say across. Across. For example, this is my road and the ball is moving in this direction. Then I would say the red ball is moving across the road. Okay? Next is this staircase. Do you know what is a staircase? The stairs that we climb on in our house, CD, that is called staircase. Now assume a red ball is going up the staircase. Then what would we say? Up. And if its height is decreasing or this is going in this direction, it is lowering in its level, then it is going down the staircase. Okay? Next preposition is this. We have two balls. One is this and the other one is this. And these two are opposite to each other and are on each side of the road. So these two balls are opposite. Now we will study some movement prepositions. For example, there's a black box and this ball just jumped over the black box. Then what will we say? We say on. Will we say on? No. We will say on to. Why? Because a movement is involved. So if movement is involved, then we will say on to. Similar is the case here. Here movement is involved, so we will say off, O-F-F, off. So the red ball is off the black box, or is getting off the black box. Next is this. We studied on to. Now assume this ball is going inside the box. Okay. For example, here we had in. So what will this be called? This will be called into. Into. Why to? Because movement is involved. Next is this one. We assumed here that the ball is going inside the black box, so we called it into. Now what if the ball is moving out of the black box? It will be called out of. The movement preposition is going to be out of. Very good. Next is this. If I am leaning against the blackboard, then I say I am against the blackboard. So if anything is leaning, it is called against. Okay, so this red strip is against the black box. Got it? Next one. This, we have a black strip here and this red ball is moving over it. Okay, this red ball is moving over the black strips. If this black pen is moving in the direction of this red pen, it's moving towards the red pen, then pay heed to what I am saying, towards. So this will be called towards. The red ball is moving towards the black box. And if it's moving away from the ball, it's moving away, then the movement preposition will be away from the black box. And the last one for today's lecture is this red ball that moved past the black box. For example, this black pen, if it moves past the red pen, it means it crossed the red pen. So what do I say? It's moving past the red pen. Okay, so these were all the prepositions. I hope you all understood what all of these mean, and the next lecture is going to be about pronouns.